In this short video, I'm going to try to show you how to use your calculator when doing calculations that involve logs or exponents. And so this is a scientific calculator simulator, and it is not necessarily exactly like your calculator. So if you're still struggling after this video to figure out your own one that you have, please get in touch with me. So we're using using the log button in our pH calculations. So the pH is going to be equal to the negative log times the concentration of our hydronium ions. So if I wanted to plug that into my calculator with a concentration like 1 times 10 to the negative 7th. So this should be at a neutral pH. I'm going to come over, and in this calculator, it doesn't necessarily require a negative sign. You can use the minus sign. So I'll plug that in first, so negative. And then I'm going to use the log button here, and I'm using it the same way I see it written in the equation. Now I'm going to plug in the concentration of my hydronium ion, which is going to be 1 times 10, and this will give me to the exponent. And a lot of calculators have a button like this. Some instead use a button that's going to be like an x to the y exponent, or sometimes it's an E button. So this has a lot of different ways you might find it on your calculator. So then I'm going to put in a negative again and 7. And hit OK. Let's see what we get. 7. So we end up with a pH of 7, this is saying, when we have 1 times 10 to the negative 7 ions of hydronium in solution. Perfect.